Welcome to 5 tips and tricks on navigating the PIRM product. In this video, we'll walk you through some key features to help you efficiently access and utilize data. Let's get started. Tip number 1, accessing historical pipeline risk data. For those looking to dive into historical risk data, you can find it easily from the starting interface. Simply navigate to the Downloads folder to access historical risk assessments. If you need the most up-to-date data, you can pull it directly from the client hierarchy. This way, you can seamlessly compare past assessments with current information. Tip number 2, reviewing visual representations of data. Tip 2 is all about visualization. PIRM allows you to see your client's historic pipeline production graphically. Just go to the Details for Segment section on the Pipeline Details page. You can also view associated well data by clicking on any well UWI under the Production Sources section. This is a great way to get a visual snapshot of production trends. Tip number 3, tracking current risk data. Keep track of current segment risk information effortlessly. Simply head to the Items tab and click on the drop-down icon. This will give you a quick view of all current risk details for any segment. It's a handy way to stay updated on risk statuses without digging through multiple sections. Tip number 4, dashboard overview. Make use of your dashboard for a high-level overview. The dashboard gives you a snapshot of asset counts, including pipelines and facilities, and their total lengths. Plus, it breaks down the data into commodity-specific assets with their respective volumes. It is perfect for a quick check on the big picture. Tip number 5, PIRM User Manual. Lastly, if you ever need help, accessing the PIRM User Manual is easy. You can find it on the Downloads page or simply click on the Help button in the bottom right corner of your PIRM screen. It's a great resource for troubleshooting and getting more detailed information on the features. Thanks for tuning in to 5 tips and tricks for PIRM users.